say what's the deal? It's your boy Bobby B, aka BK Motorsports. What's the deal, my boys? So check it out. This is what we got today. This late day. 2008 Chevy Impala, my Impala. We got ABS wires. I just changed the wheel hubs on the passenger side. I was gonna do the driver's side, but I'm gonna first wait and change these wires first to see what we got here. So we got my brand new wires. We got my heat shrinks. We got a little compartment, so we're gonna start on the left side, passenger side first. Yeah, this the ABS wire right here. It goes all the way around there, right here. So we're gonna disconnect it from right here, and right here. I'll disconnect the wire, take it off the harness, and disconnect it. Alright, that's the new harness out the new wheel hub. But we're gonna pull this harness off. Alright, so you got the wire hanging right here on the ground. I'm gonna send it across over there, and then that's where I'm gonna start cutting it. Alright, so there go the old wire that I cut. We got the new wire in, taped off, and put back down. Alright, let's see if it fixed the problem or something else going on. The ABS light is still on. The ABS light is still on. There we go. Cleared the lights. You can turn it this way. No light. Turn it to the right. No light. Turn it back straight. No light.